Hi, my name Jimmy. I am going to show you how this works. Hi,
Picture
my name.
this. It's the third of the month. Your paycheck just landed. And quietly, almost invisibly, it starts shrinking. You didn't spend money, nothing happened. But somehow, $200 just evaporated. The average American spends over $200 per month on subscriptions. Most people guessed less than half. Your brain is just really bad at tracking small, recurring charges. The pain of paying. When you hand someone cash, your brain registers that loss immediately. The charge is automatic. It happens quietly in the background. $250 per month, $3,000 per year. After 30 years, you'd have roughly $121,000 from canceling things you weren't even using. This is called the sunk cost fallacy. Here's the 3-step subscription audit. Step 1. Find everything. Go through your last 2 bank and credit card statements line by line. Sort into 3 categories. Keep it, flag it, cancel it immediately. Pause it for 1 month. If you miss it, bring it back. If you don't, you have your answer. Set a subscription review date every 90 days. Subscriptions are like small holes in a bucket. Pull your last 2 statements today. Cancel. Invest the difference. The quiet wealth killer doesn't survive the moment you shine a light on it.